Welcome to PA Timber Ghost. Another lovely day in the mountains. Today we're in Millersburg. We are visiting Ned Smith Center for Nature and Art. It's very beautiful in here. It's kind of warm today. You can hear all the birds singing in the background. We're going to take a walk down along the Wicked-Nisko and look for some wildlife today, see what we can discover. So we're going to walk on the property today. Ned Smith Center consists of 500 acres. Currently the Wicked-Nisko behind me is stocked with trout. There's a special regulations area here. And up on the side of the mountain is state game lands. I believe it's Short Mountain, so you can hunt through there. There are multiple trailheads if you want to hike Short Mountain. After we walk down the stream here, we'll come back and we'll cross the bridge. Go up on the other side. Definitely very warm day, but very beautiful here. Today is Friday, so not too many people here today. Come along with us today, see what we can discover. There's a nice bench by the stream. Great place to sit down and relax. Going to sit here and cool off for a few minutes in the shade. It's very warm today. Listen to the birds singing in the background. Wildlife sightings so far: one squirrel, one chipmunk. Lots of chickadees in the background. Let's turn the camera around. Take a look at this beautiful stream flowing by. So beautiful in here today. It's very quiet. Saw some deer sign back there in the grass. Couldn't have been too far behind them. Wicked-Nisko looks a little dry today. We haven't had any rain for a few weeks, not a significant amount. Not a lot of wildlife today. I think it's a bit too warm. I believe today it's supposed to be 98 or 99 degrees. Down here along the water it's about 100% humidity. There's a nice bench there on the other side of that bridge. Cool down a little bit. Starting to get busy in here. There's some fishermen down there fishing. And they're doing some work back there at the water plant. You can hear the heavy equipment. Now we're on the other side of the Wicked-Nisko. And there are a few trails here. I think one of them is the old railroad bed up top. I'm not real familiar with the trail system on this side, but I'll definitely come back to this area and make some more videos. Once all the foliage is gone, maybe we'll come back after a nice snowstorm. It's always a beautiful time to go for a walk in the woods. You can always see so much more. Here's an interesting sign: do not remove rocks and stones from the resting place in the forest, culverts, and streams. These are critical habitat for small insects, amphibians, and help control erosion. Thank you for your cooperation. Ned Smith Art Institute. Rock stacking in the stream is hazardous to the environment. A lot of places to sit here and relax, just listen to the birds. Bring your binoculars. Ned Smith is quite a renowned artist. He was born in 1919 in Millersburg, and he was a self-taught artist. Ned Smith was best known for his journal-style writing in the Pennsylvania Game News. I've read most of his articles from the first book, Gone for the Day, and I purchased Gone for Another Day from the Institute, which at some point I will donate to a library, and you're more than welcome to read it. There'll be another video for that. You can give it a read. And a few other books that I'm going to donate to a library. The destination of that reading material I'll share with you on another video. But anytime I got to Pennsylvania Game News, that was the first thing I went to look for and read. Gone for the Day. I loved his art, and I loved his articles, the way he described everything. And that was pretty much the only reason that I got that magazine. He has written a few books. He has lots of artwork, and all of his paintings and artwork were stored in his house. And then after he passed, some land was donated, and the Art Institute and Wildlife Learning Center was built, and it continues to grow. I'll put some links to the center in the description. You can check it out. You can come up here and walk around. If you go in the gallery, you're not allowed to take pictures of any of the artwork. They will hang different paintings and drawings up for a while, then at some point they'll change them. But it's a really cool place to check out inside, and it's definitely grown since the last time I was here. Here's a cool feature of the Art Institute. They have a honeybee comb inside the building, and there's an opening on the outside. You can see them flying in the hole. We'll go in and take a look at them on the inside. Hopefully none of them sting me. You can hear them flying in and out. That's really cool. Let's go inside here and get cooled off. Here's a look at the bees going up and down the tube. That tube is going outside. That's where they're coming in, that little hole outside. There's a dead one. Look, they're carrying the dead one out. Here it comes. Take a look in the honeycomb here. You ever wondered what the inside of a beehive looks like? There it is right there. There's another dead, is that another dead bee there? Crawling around in there. You can really hear them buzzing out of that hole. It's very beautiful in here. You can see the painting in here. There's a carved owl up there. All the bee murals. Lots of murals inside of here. There's a mural of the inside of the beehive. Very beautiful. You should actually come up here and see this. This is actually worth the trip, along with all the other cool stuff in the building. Thanks for watching PA Timber Goose. Hope you liked this video. Give it a like, it helps the algorithm. As always, hit that subscribe button. Help my channel grow. and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.